of Cavendish University, Uganda, do recognize that we share a common set of beliefs, ideals and values that govern our individual behavior and practice. We are mindful of our responsibility to provide ethical leadership. We therefore hereby take with unreserved commitment the Cavendish University, Uganda Pledge of Ethical Leadership. To lead wherever we shall be, even without formal designation or office. To lead with values of integrity, humility and respect. To lead with innovation, by challenging the prevailing assumptions and continuously improving ourselves, families and communities. To lead with resilience and courage, and readiness to face challenges and devise solutions. To lead by showing a good example of honesty, transparency, responsibility and accountability. To lead by inspiring others, empowering them and helping them to achieve their full potential. To lead with passion while providing excellent services to humanity. May God help us to keep this pledge. God bless Cavendish University, Uganda.
God bless Cavendish University, Uganda.
Thank you very much. You can take your seats and you can count on my best wishes.